Hi everybody, Marvin Mouse here. Today I'm going to be showing you about a Chrome extension that may come in handy for you if you'd like to have some text read to you on the screen. It's called ReadWrite. The way we're going to access it is if you are on a Chromebook, you're going to click down in the bottom here and you're going to look for the web store, the Chrome web store. If you're on a regular laptop, you're going to go to this apps section here and you'll see this Chrome web store icon. And you'll click on open that. And now we're going to search for ReadWrite. And it's this Chrome extension here. Allows you to have text read back to you. You can even have it translated, which is kind of slick. But we're going to click on it and we're going to select Add to Chrome. And go ahead and click Add Extension. And it'll go through and do a quick download and then pop that extension in up here on your browser. So now let's see how ReadWrite would work in action. If I'm on an assessment in Schoology and I click on, say it's this one here, and I'm going to start a new attempt, I can go in and I can highlight the text and come up to my ReadWrite extension and hit play.
Question 1, 0 points. Rate your engagement today on a scale of 1-5. 1 equals off task almost the whole period, very low engagement. 5 equals on task almost the whole period, high engagement. Burbank, 45,321. Blank 1.
Now
Question
notice
2, 0 points.
Now notice it starts playing, and even though these are separate answer possibilities, it read it as though it was one big word. So it's not perfect, but it does give you a chance to hear the story and have it read back to you. You can change voices and things like that, but hopefully this is a tool that can help assist you to read things back if you need that as a support for your learning. Thanks and have a great day.